Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching, if you're new here, thank you for watching. I am a crafter and I just like to make things for fun. Today I'm going to be making this blockade runner, Rebel blockade runner from Star Wars. So, I'm just going to go ahead and get into it. I'll do the build in this video and then I'll do a paint of this model in a separate video because those two processes can be kind of time consuming. The build not as much as the paint, but the paint will take a lot of work and there's a lot of detail work because I don't like using these stickers. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in and get to building. Get rid of those. I will not be using them. There is the display stand. We're going to put that to the side because we don't need it for now. We won't need it until we actually paint. So I won't build it until then. Here's the first sprue and the second sprue. There's only 2 sprues on this one, but there's a lot of big parts, so it kind of makes sense. But with that being said, we're just going to go ahead and start building. This looks like it's going to be a pretty simple one. Looks like it's pretty straightforward, so we're just going to get into it. Parts like this that I always make sure I'm gluing in. This is just a tiny little satellite. I don't know if you can actually see it, and I already put glue on it, so I'll just get glue on my hands, I guess. Tiny little satellite dish. So I always make sure I glue these pieces because these are the ones that are prone to either falling out or getting broken. So I'm going to put a little bit more glue on here and then we'll stick it in. Same with little pieces like this little turret. I have no idea if you can actually see this. I don't know where the placement is exactly on my camera, but tiny little turret going on here. Make sure to glue. Doesn't take a lot. I've said that before, but it really doesn't. That's probably too much, but there we go. Alright, here is the final piece going on the bottom. This will go right here on the engine, and that will complete this build. Alright, so there is the completed Blockade Runner. There is a lot of good detail in this. I'm excited to paint, and I will get working on that here soon. But for now, I mean, there's just a lot of cool detail, and I'm excited to get going on this one. So I will record another video for painting. I'll probably get that out in the next couple of weeks, but as of right now, that's all. I hope you enjoyed watching, and thank you.